Hi everybody, this is Stanley Cups, and as you can see they look pretty good at this point. What I used was the Krylon Color Master. That was the paint with the primer built in it, and I used about 1.5 cans of the Krylon Premium Original Chrome. That's something you can get in Canada. I don't know, you got to get a chrome paint somewhere if you're in North America. So I've got to put the sticker labels back on my original cup. That was my first gen, and initially I had painted the bowl, and I found that this Krylon Chrome is the absolute best one out of all the silvers I've tried over the last 3-4 years. It looks most like chrome. There's the bowl unpainted on the second generation, and I used a caulking this time as opposed to a glue gun. Glue gun just was not successful. Every year you're replacing it. You can see inside the bowls. This time I decided to do the lag nut. Did not do it on my first gen, and I had to leave it like that with glue. You can see all the autographs on the bottom of the cup. This one here, this is freshly painted. On the real cup it's black, but I'm not even worried about that. This is what the kids, I left a big enough lip that they can hook their hand in it. Like I said, my first gen weighed just around 5 pounds. This one here, it's got a 1/2 inch thickness of plywood on the base. It's probably going to weigh closer to 6. But any kid who's 5 years old on their feet can lift it over their head. On ice, it's a different thing. They gotta push it. So, like I said, I roughed it up with sandpaper and all that, and it turned out pretty good. You know, we got cloud cover and gray skies everywhere. Be nice to see what this looks like in a nice, bright, sunny day. But I got about 1/2 can left of the chrome. I'll probably do it one more time before the weekend, but that's it. Simple, easy. Probably only takes about 3 hours on a Saturday, another 3 hours on a Sunday, then painting it 3 times. Hope this tutorial helps, and go Lord Stanley.